Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Next, click on the three dots and select Settings. And here we're gonna select Import Contacts, Allow. Select where you want to import contacts from. You'll see then all your contacts. You can select each one of them, or you can click right here on all. This will select all the contacts. And next, click on Done. Choose where you want to import your contacts to. Import, and you're done. Now your contacts have been imported, and they should be visible somewhere in the list right here. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.